The Toyota Sequoia. It's one of the most rugged, full-size SUVs in the market today, perfect for families, road trips, or serious towing. But what does it really cost to own this beast over 5 years? In this video, I'm going to break down the true cost of owning a 2025 Sequoia, including depreciation, insurance, maintenance, financing, and fuel. Then I'll show you how to save thousands before you even step foot in a dealership. Let's dive in. A typically equipped 2025 Sequoia will run you around 80 grand brand new. But when you factor in all the costs over 5 years, you're looking at a total ownership cost of $71,500. And yes, that's actually less than the MSRP thanks to the strong resale value. So let's break those numbers down piece by piece. Depreciation. After 5 years, the Sequoia will lose around $27,200 in value. That brings the average resale value to $53 and change. For a full-size SUV, this is actually above average. Toyota's reliability and brand reputation help preserve value better than many competitors. Compare that to the Chevy Tahoe, higher depreciation, Ford Expedition, more aggressive drop in value, and Nissan Armada, one of the worst in class for resale. Now, insurance. The average annual insurance premium for a Sequoia is just over $2 grand, which totals just over $10,000 over 5 years. That's in line with other large SUVs, though you can always shop around for a better rate or bundle with other policies. Let's talk repairs and maintenance now. Toyota has a reputation for being durable, and it shows here. Maintenance costs come in at just over $2,150 over 5 years, or about $430 per year. That's great for a full-size SUV with lots of tech and power under the hood, but remember, that doesn't cover unexpected repairs, just the routine stuff. Now, financing. Assuming a 72-month loan at 7% APR, 20% down, your financing expense will be about 14 grand over 5 years. Want to reduce that number? Improve your credit score, shop for a better rate, or increase your down payment. Fuel. Here's where the Sequoia starts to bite back. With an average of 15 miles per gallon, expect to spend around $17,600 on fuel over 5 years. That's roughly $3,500 a year. And yes, this makes it one of the more expensive SUVs in the segment for fuel. If fuel savings are a big priority, you may want to consider a smaller SUV or hybrid alternative, but if space and capability matter more, this is the trade-off. So, the total 5-year ownership cost is $71,500. It breaks down like this. Depreciation, $27,200. Insurance, $10,400. Maintenance, $2,100. Financing, $14 grand. And fuel, again, $17,588. Owning a Sequoia isn't cheap, but for families needing maximum space, towing, and reliability, it is worth the investment. If you want a rugged, reliable, full-size SUV with serious capability, the Sequoia should absolutely be on your list. It holds its value better than most and offers solid long-term reliability. Now, top competitors to cross-shop, Expedition from Ford has got more tech, but lower resale value. The Tahoe from Chevy, bigger fuel tank, less fuel efficient. Jeep Wagoneer, higher luxury, but higher cost. And Toyota Grand Highlander, hybrid option there, but less towing. If the Sequoia is on your radar, don't buy it without checking the real prices in your area from a qualified dealership. You could be leaving thousands on the table. If you're looking for the best deal on a Sequoia, I think you are, or any full-size SUV, skip the dealership games. Head straight to quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. There you can see real-time dealer pricing, compare new and used offers, uncover hidden discounts and incentives. It's 100% free, no obligation, and you could save hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Click the link now and start your search today at quotes.everymandriver.com. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.